Did you know millions of people are boosting their income with side hustles? From students to retirees, people from all walks of life are finding ways to supplement their earnings. It's not just about making ends meet, it's about creating new opportunities and achieving financial freedom. They're finding creative ways to make extra cash, and you can too. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or offering online services, the possibilities are endless. The key is to leverage your skills and passions to create a side hustle that works for you. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. Side hustles are about hard work and smart choices. It's about dedicating time and effort to build something meaningful. Many successful side hustlers started small, dedicating just a few hours a week, and gradually scaled up their efforts. This isn't about quitting your day job tomorrow. It's about taking control of your income. By diversifying your income streams, you can create a safety net that provides financial stability and peace of mind. It's about making your money work for you. Forget the myths. We're diving into the real world of side hustles. It's not just about extra cash. It's about personal growth, learning new skills, and expanding your professional network. The journey can be as rewarding as the financial benefits. Whether you need to pay off debt, manage unexpected expenses, or simply want to build a financial cushion, save for a dream vacation, or fund a special project, or just want some breathing room in your budget, side hustles offer a flexible and practical solution. They allow you to take control of your financial future without drastic changes to your lifestyle. Side hustles can help you reach your goals, whether they're short-term or long-term. They provide a sense of accomplishment and can significantly improve your quality of life. It's time to unlock your earning potential. Start exploring the world of side hustles today and take the first step towards financial independence and a more fulfilling life. More and more people are turning to side hustles, and it's easy to see why. The traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer the only way to make a living. With the rise of the gig economy and digital platforms, opportunities to earn extra income have never been more accessible. The cost of living is rising, and for many, one job just isn't enough. People are finding it harder to make ends meet with just their primary source of income. Side hustles offer a flexible way to earn extra money on your own terms. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or selling handmade goods online, the options are endless. No boss breathing down your neck, you're in control. You can choose when and where you work, making it easier to balance other responsibilities. Whether you're a student juggling classes, a stay-at-home parent, or someone with a full-time job looking for extra income, side hustles can fit into your life. They provide a way to pursue your passions while also earning money. Side hustles can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine. You can work during your free time, weekends, or even late at night. No more relying solely on your day job, which can be stressful and limiting. A side hustle can provide a sense of freedom and additional financial security. Create financial security with a side hustle that works for you. It's not just about the money. It's about taking control of your financial future and finding a balance that suits your lifestyle. Let's address the elephant in the room. Skeptical about side hustles? We get it. There are plenty of scams and unrealistic promises out there. The truth? Legitimate side hustles require effort and dedication. Don't believe the hype about overnight riches. Building a successful side hustle takes time and consistency. With the right mindset and hard work, side hustles can provide a real and sustainable source of income. Ready to put in the work? Then you're ready to see results. The beauty of side hustles? The possibilities are endless. Love to write? Start a blog or offer freelance writing services. Passionate about baking? Sell your delicious creations online or at local markets. From virtual assistant to social media manager, from online tutor to graphic designer. There's a side hustle out there for every skill and interest. Don't limit yourself, explore your options, and find the perfect side hustle for you. Section 5. Online Side Hustles, your digital goldmine. The internet has opened up a world of side hustle opportunities. One of the most popular? Online surveys and microtasks. These platforms pay you for your time and opinions. It's not a fortune, but it can add up over time. Another lucrative option? Affiliate marketing. Promote products and services on your website or social media and earn a commission on every sale you generate. With dedication and smart strategies, online side hustles can become a substantial income stream. Section 6. Gig economy gigs. Fast cash at your fingertips. Need cash quickly? The gig economy has got you covered. Become a rideshare driver, food delivery person, or grocery shopper and earn money on your own schedule. These gigs offer flexibility and the potential for instant payouts. But remember, gig economy work often comes with variable income and few benefits. It's essential to factor in expenses like gas and vehicle maintenance when calculating your earnings. Gig work can be a great short-term solution or a flexible way to supplement your income. Section 7. Turning skills into cash. Freelancing Secrets. Got valuable skills? Freelancing might be your perfect side hustle match. From writing and editing to web design and virtual assistants, businesses and individuals are always on the lookout for talented freelancers. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Build a strong portfolio, deliver high-quality work, and watch your freelance business thrive. Freelancing offers flexibility, control over your rates, and the potential to earn a significant income. Section 8. Side hustle success. It's in your hands. Success in the side hustle world doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Treat your side hustle like a business, set realistic goals, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Remember, your side hustle is an investment in yourself and your financial future. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and enjoy the journey to financial freedom. Section 9. Ready to hustle? Side hustles are more than just a trend. They're a powerful way to take control of your finances and achieve your goals. In today's fast-paced world, having a side hustle can provide a safety net and open up new opportunities. It's about taking charge of your future and creating multiple streams of income. Whether you're looking for extra cash, career flexibility, or simply a way to turn your hobbies into a profitable venture, side hustles offer a unique blend of benefits. They allow you to explore new skills and industries without the pressure of a full-time commitment. Or the freedom to pursue your passions. Side hustles can be incredibly fulfilling. Imagine spending your evenings doing what you love and getting paid for it. It's a win-win situation that can lead to personal and professional growth. The side hustle world is full of possibilities. From freelancing and consulting to selling handmade crafts or starting an online store, the options are endless. The key is to find something that aligns with your interests and skills. Don't wait for permission or the perfect time. The best time to start is now. Begin with small, manageable steps and gradually build your way up. Consistency and dedication are crucial. Start small, stay focused, and keep your eyes on the prize. It's important to set clear goals and track your progress. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated, and watch your hard work pay off. Over time, you'll see the fruits of your labor. Your side hustle can grow into a significant source of income or even a full-time business. Your dream side hustle is out there. Go make it happen. The journey may be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Embrace the hustle and enjoy the ride. Share your side hustle experiences and connect with other hustlers. Networking and learning from others can provide valuable insights and support. Leave a comment below and let's inspire each other on this journey. Together, we can build a community of motivated individuals ready to take on the world, one side hustle at a time.